Hey, this is Curtis from Photo Break, and I wanted to show you a photographic technique that's really cool, but it comes with a warning. It involves fire. So you've got to be careful what you're doing. Know all your codes. You don't want to do this kind of thing when it's fall and there's a lot of dry leaves and that kind of thing. What you're going to need are some household items you might already have. One is steel wool, and you want to make sure it's the finest you can get. I've got 0 here. Take one of those pads out. The next thing you want is to go in your kitchen and find a whisker, preferably one that you don't mind charring because it's going to get hot. This whisker has a nice little feature as I can pull that off and I get that handle opening. The other thing you're going to need is a chain. I like a chain because it's a little heavier. It doesn't have to be a very heavy duty one. You can also use a rope if you want. Put that on there like that. Great. And then you need some way of igniting it, which is, your fire. Pretty simple procedure actually. What you want to do is just kind of pull this apart. You need some little bit of air into it before it really catches flame. Just like that. And then shove it inside that whisker. This might make obvious sense, but the best time to do this is towards twilight or right before dawn. You want some good contrast in the sky. And there you go. It's primed and ready to go. Your exposures, that's going to depend on you. I typically start off, if it's really pretty dark, ISO 800, f-stop 8, and then the seconds. You want time in it, so I try to do at least 8 seconds. The other thing I do, which is really helpful, is I have my camera set on a timer where I can take a series of different exposures if you're by yourself. If you got somebody helping with you, then it doesn't matter. But I set my timer to intervals of like 1 second between, and then I do a series of either 5 or 6. That's about as many as you're going to get out of one of these steel wool. And then it's just a simple matter of lighting it up. It really reacts when you spin it around. That air actually helps the flames. You can see the sparks flying. Full disclosure here, this is a double exposure where I've taken myself out of that center circle by photographing the bridge without the flames. I did this in post. Anyway, good luck, and again, use your caution. Have some water next to you. I'm sitting here in the middle of winter with all this snow, so I'm not really too concerned as far as any sparks that fly out of this. It's not going to catch anything on fire. There you have it, another quick photo tip from Photo Break. This is Curtis. Be sure to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Really helps the channel grow.